Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I got this look here using the new Morphe x Jaclyn Hill Vault collection. In this video I'm using the Ring the Alarm palette. So I am doing a series on my channel using all of the palettes from the Vault collection. So in this video, I'm using this one. If you check out my last video, I'm using the Bling Voss palette. So this is the look I came up with. Please don't be intimidated. It's really easy to recreate. It's not that scary. Just take your time, pay attention, practice, and you will get it. And yeah, make sure you stay tuned till the end. I am doing a giveaway with all of the palettes from the Vault collection, so stay tuned till the end to hear about that. And yeah, let's just get on into the tutorial. Here is the palette. This is the Ring the Alarm palette from the Vault collection. These are what the colors look like here. And I'm just gonna jump right into this tutorial. So I already have this eye done. You can see what that looks like. We're gonna get started on this eye. First, before we go in with shadows, I am gonna take some powder just to clean this line up. That way we have a nice straight line like we do on this side. First, I'm going in with a Morphe M441 and I'm taking the shade Rush, and I'm just gonna start blending this into the crease and higher up as the transition shade. After that, I'm going to go in with the shade Alert with a Morphe R37. So this is a really similar brush to the 441, but it's a little bit more tapered. So it's going to be a little bit more precise. And then putting this right into the crease. In the outer corner here, you want to make sure you're kind of flicking it out. Next, I'm taking the shade Framed on my Morphe M514. So this is a detailed blending brush, and I'm going to take this shade right into the crease and also on the inner and outer corners. I am not the one to sit around and be played. So prove yourself to me. If I'm the girl that you claim, why don't you say the things that you said to me yesterday? So next, I'm going to use some concealer to cut my crease just in this section like a halo eye. So I'm using a Morphe M508. This is the brush I always use for my cut creases. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the shade Bomb Ass on a flat detail brush from NYX, and I'm going to press this on the outer parts of the middle. I don't even know how to explain this. You'll see though. And then I'm going in with the shade Lolly with the same brush and placing this in the center. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with the shade Framed mixed with Secret and blend the outer corners. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of glitter. If you don't want to use glitter, you can leave it just like this. It looks just as good. But I never really use glitter, so I wanted to just add a little bit. So I'm taking the glitter from Star Crushed Minerals in the shade or color, I don't know, Another Tequila Sunrise. So this is what it looks like. It's just like a mix of like a pinky magenta and like a holographic gold glitter. So I'm gonna put a little bit of that on the lid. I'm using the glitter adhesive from Star Crushed Minerals 2, and I'm just going to pat that on the lid and then dip into the glitter and just pack that on top. Let's do the lower lash line real quick. Basically repeating the same exact steps. I am going to take my Morphe E17. This is a like bullet crease brush, and the shade Rush, which was the first shade that we used, and put this on the lower lash line. Then I'm taking a Luxie 237 and I'm taking the shade Alert, which is that orange shade. Then I'm taking my Sonia Kashuk 31 brush. Morphe also has this like same exact brush if you just want to get it from them. And I'm taking the shade Framed. I came over with my click, don't try to change it now. This one is the most important for the lower lash line because I'm gonna pat a little more right here and connect them and bring them out. That's how you get that nice wing there. And then I just go in with the last brush with no product on it and just softly blend that area and my lower lash line back out. And lastly, I'm just taking a Morphe M432, just a flat brush, and going in with Secret and just kind of pressing it right against there. So I'm gonna go in with my liner for my waterline. I'm taking the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in the shade Alkaline, and I'm just gonna place that in my waterline. Then I'm just gonna take just some black liquid liner and make a really thin line just to cover up my lash band. And I'm gonna go ahead and put on some lashes and mascara off camera, and I'll be right back. So the eyes are done. I am obsessed with the way that they came out. So the lashes I have on are from Violet Voss, and they are in the style Vamptress. So let's see, what else do we have to do? So I have blush on already. I'm wearing just a little bit of the NARS Orgasm blush. So I just have a little bit of this guy on. Now I'm gonna put on highlighter. So for highlighter today, I'm gonna be taking the Ofra highlighter in Beverly Hills. So this is what it looks like, and you can either use one of the shades or mix them all together. So for my face, I'm just gonna mix them all together. I'm using a Morphe M501. Why don't you say the things that you said to me yesterday? Take a little bit on the nose. Then I'm also going to put this in my inner corner, and I think I'm just going to use like the peachy color right here. That's what I just used on my nose. I'm going to take a little bit of this like lilac shade too on top. For lips, first I'm going in with the Buxom lip liner in Hush Hush. I'm gonna go in with Posy K from Kylie Cosmetics. Nobody's holding you back from me. I know how you used to do. When you saying everything to me times two. Why can't you Real quick, while this is drying, I'm going to take my Morphe setting spray and just spritz my face. And then, you know, afterwards, I like to go in with my sponge and just press it all in. So I think I want to add a little bit more lip color on. I'm going to take the MAC collab with Nicki Minaj in the shade Nicki's Nude and just put that on the center here. That's really pretty together. Just add a little dimension to the lips. And this is the completed look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And like my last video, I am going to be doing a giveaway in this one. In this video, I'm going to be giving away the same palette that I used, so the Ring the Alarm palette from the Jaclyn Hill Morphe Vault collection. So I will be giving that away. All of the details about that will be in the description box. Also, make sure you checked out my last video. In the last one, I used the Bling Boss palette, and I'm still running that giveaway as well. So if you'd rather win that one, or if you want to enter both, go ahead, do whatever you want, but check that video out too. I'll have that in the description box as well for you guys. And yeah, if you guys like these tips to look a little bit more fun and different and colorful, and I didn't wear a nude lip, then let me know in the comments down below. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.